welcome you to the Ultimate Cobb Cookout. So I'm very happy to have been partnered with Gallant Campers PH.
So ngayon nandito tayo sa Ultimate Cobb Cookout. Napakasaya dito kasi maraming parapol, saka aside from libre siya ng na wala kaming gastos dito kundi gas lang yung papunta dito.
Yung Gallant Campers ang nag-organize ng first Ultimate Cobb Cookout event. Ang Cobb Grill comes into two variants, yung charcoal and yung gas na ginagamitan ng butane. Sobrang ganda niya para sa mga campers. Mapakadaling gamitin.
Promising siya eh. May mga pros and cons like malaki siya pero makikita mo yung ability niya sa cooking which is hindi mo makikita sa ibang brand.
Talagang ang ganda nung Cobb cook set. So, sana magkaroon ako nun soon, as in tomorrow o kaya mamaya. Sana manalo ko, or if not, I can convince my wife to buy one. Kasi ang ganda niya talaga pang outdoor. Perfect for cooking, grilling, and whatever food you like to prepare. Madali lang siya sa Cobb.
From Cobb Grill Philippines, we are the official distributor of Cobb Grill, the ultimate all-in-one portable griller. We are here today at Tourist Camp and we are hosting the first ever Ultimate Cobb Cookout. So Cobb is originally from South Africa, and so we decided to bring it here in the Philippines, which I believe is the first ever ultimate all-in-one portable griller. You can never see something like this. You can grill, fry, roast, bake, and more. You can bring it anywhere. It's very portable, low smoke, and the base stays cool while cooking. So you can move it anywhere, and you can definitely cook anything. Currently, we are now doing the Cobb Cookout. So we chose 5 participants to join us. So they were given 5 main dishes to cook. And now let's see what they're gonna make out of Cobb. I'm very excited. I'm very excited on how will they use the different accessories. I hope that they will be very creative about it. And the winner will receive a brand new Cobb.
So we had a cookout earlier and isa ako sa mga participants. So nagluto ako ng sisig. And I used the Cobb grill. So I used the grill attachment, and I can say na sobrang gandang pang grill ng Cobb.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Ultimate Cobb Cookout. Super enjoy, lalo na nakasama namin yung 5 naming mga batuta. At saka yung mga bata rin na laging nandito rin sa amin na nakikipaglaro. Sobrang nakakatuwa na ang dami rin mga kaibigan na nagpunta rito. Lalo na syempre mga dumayo pa galing sa iba't ibang lugar.
Dito kami ngayon sa event ng campout ng Cobb, which is a very great event. Dami kong bago nakilalang tao, so socials, and then daming food. And yung pamerienda nila solid. And actually, yung pinunta talaga dito is yung grill nila. Tapos may nakita din akong kettle. Ang galing eh. May kettle sila doon eh. Wala lang, very unique. Tapos parang ang unique ng approach nila when it comes to traditional grilling.
Ang ganda nitong event na to, promise. First time pa lang nila magpwede na ganito, pero napaka-solid mga bata. Gawa nga ng libre lahat. Entrance, pagkain, merienda. Wala ka nang ibang dadalhin kundi sarili mo lang at gas mo papunta dito. Nagpapasalamat tayo kay Cobb na pinagamit din niya sa atin yung mga cooking wares niya na napaka-solid mga papa.
Hoping and looking forward for another camp with you.
Eh, syempre, maraming salamat, Cobb Philippines, sa isang first camping event din nila, and hopefully na masundan pa ito and sana mas madami pa.
Overall, masaya yung event dito sa Ultimate Cobb Cookout.
Solid.
So, thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you to everyone na nag-gumawa ng event sa Cobb and Kalad Camper.